Hi guys, today we're going to play Airplane Story in Roblox. So, here we go, let's play. We choose a gate. I like to go with the gates that has lots of people. And one is fine. Oh yes, this is great. Yeah, play a little sound. And let me invite you to my 21-year-old brother named Andy. He's over here. Wave. Okay. Now let's see my seats. So mine is D11. So I go to 11 over here, number 11, and find D. Oh yes. Oh yes. My other passengers, all the other people that I'm playing with, is still finding those seats. Oh my god. Struggling to find your seat. I'm chatting. Look at that. Are you struggling to find your seat? Yeah, I'm kind of bored by just sitting here, so I want to move around quickly. My first attempt, my brother Andy, he stopped it to see if my voice was recording in it, and it was. So we're going. So we're recording another video. I'm recording again. That one was never a video. Now, please find your seat as we're about to cross an area of high turbulence. Find my seat, find my seat. So, D, yes. Some passengers will lose health if they don't go to the seats. Like that one. Yes, he lost health. You see, Lumberjack 2428 lost health. And also, Anti-Crap. You just saw my brother walk past. Okay, this is thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Hello everyone, as we are the crew members, we will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Yeah, you already got a sandwich. What?
A sandwich poison.
In this story, well, one of us is going to be allergic to mayo because the sandwich has mayo in it, and there will be a bomb, and I think a red cable will always be the correct one now because when I'm doing blue, when I'm cutting the blue cable, they die. I'm finding already. So somebody's allergic to mayo. I'm finding their baggage already. Even it's not time yet. What? My brother is just eating a fortune cookie. You see over there? He's eating something. Somebody already found it. Alright, see. Phew, that was a close one. That was even a close one. Oh, somebody said a bad word over there. You see, this guy said, "Good afternoon to all passengers. I will inform you we've reached stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride." That's a lot of talking. How much do you like my videos? Comment, please. Good night, pal. Remember to stretch your legs. You will still have a few hours to go. Oh. Oh, I know there's a monster on that right wing now. Oh, I see it already. I see it. Look at that monster. Look at that monster. Do you see it? Look at those red eyes. There's gonna be snakes soon. It's him down below. We don't know his name. Do. You will not survive. I'm just kidding. Are those snakes? Run! Oh no, there's lots of snakes. Run! They look like Minecraft. I hate. Oh, I'm in the first class. I'm now in first class where the snakes rarely go. They can, but they can. No, they look blocky. The snakes look blocky. I don't know. I like Minecraft. Oh, there's an open restroom here. Yes, somebody followed me. Boba, Ava. Oh well, that's a lot of people. Oh, why is this a big bathroom? I broke the paper inside the fortune cookie. Oh well. Who was that? Oh, that skeleton guy's not gonna make it. My brother just said, "Are you criminals?" And I just did this as no. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. I took a dropped this fortune cookie. Might get another one. What the heck? Okay, so some people still have lost their health. He dropped it on the floor. You can't eat it anymore. Maybe. Okay, Micey is super close to me right now. Okay, power's back up. Yay! That's what I said. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. I know what's gonna say next. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. I knew it. Because I knew. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. Uh-oh. The good news is the power's back up. I know what it's going to say next. Bad news. Significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen masks will drop down from your seats. Over from your seats. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. I have my oxygen mask. When I first played this game, I thought those we can't touch because I thought that would kill you. Oh no, somebody died. Two people died actually. Oh no. Oh wow, that was scary. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. My brother just said the mask got food. Oh, I hope I don't get the bomb. There's gonna be a bug. Please. Huh? Yes! I know where the scissors are, so I'm gonna go toward it so I can cut. No, I don't want to eat the bomb. My brother just said, eat the bomb. I'm gonna tap on the scissors until the timer goes on. Everybody came up. Everybody followed me. Let's go. No, I didn't get to cut. The red cable. No! Cut the red cable. She's gonna explode. Don't come toward me. I think she's gonna explode. Wow. What is happening? Why am I still here? I'll cut the blue cable. Bro. I don't know what's happening. Oh gosh. Give me the stand. So I have my brother's stand here because this phone is not standing pretty well. This is my brother's phone as well. What is happening? It's stuck. It's not even going. Oh my gosh. What is happening? I see somebody here. I can't because we don't grab this right now. What is happening? What are we supposed to do? It's stuck. I don't know. I don't see anybody with the bomb.
We're all stuck.
No, nobody has the bomb, but the game's not continuing on.
What?
I don't know.
Power back.
Let me see. No, we have Wi-Fi, but no internet. Oh no. Oh wow! Did you see that close by spitting? What?
It's my pet cat.
Oh well. I guess we just have to wait. What is happening? Because it's not going on.
It's my pet elephant.
Oh my god. What is going on? Where? Oh my gosh.
Where that goes.
My brother always does dumb things. Like he always hurts himself sometimes. On purpose. He gets angry a lot. Like, he goes like... No, that's actually true.
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
Sorry that I literally went like. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. It says I will cut the blue cable, but it's not working. Nothing's going on. Like, yeah. I guess I have to start over the game. I'm just gonna reset the lobby because it's.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
So I'm making a game video. Because I need to. It was stuck earlier, so I need to restart. Oh, I'm sitting here now.
Yeah. Oh, next week.
Now it'll take a little while, but it's okay. So what's my seat now? Oh, B12. I'm way in the front. I mean, never mind. I'm way in the back. Except the next two window. Yay! Window. I like to be next to window. Oh my god. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. And just like earlier. The plane's actually a square, you see? We're on the outside. Wait, yay! So I'm sitting with somebody. IDK. This person's name is IDK. I don't know. Why? I don't know. I'm DK.
I got you. I don't kill people.
Oh, I've gotten P. Well, I've gotten P. That's weird. Nah, he's just kidding. He's just joking. My name is Jay. You know. He's just joking all the time. He's always up to dumb things, or sometimes joking. You see him over there. Joker. He said this is my brother. He said I'm Boker. And nobody's name is Boker. He's just kidding. Well, who said this? I'm Hungry Monster. Bah. Dog. Stand on this guy. This is a flight attendant. Dark. My brother's soup. Oh no, there's mayo. No, I'm not. He's just joking all the time. Oh, somebody found it. My brother is gonna watch smoking. Queen. The person next to me named IDK just said something bad. Phew, that was a close one. You should have died. Yes. How? How? Bro, weirdo, allergic to mayo. You're saying weird things. You're STUP. I didn't want to say it to you. Yawn. Are you so? Okay. I'm going to the front. I want to see the monster. Oh, look at that monster again. It appears that we lost energy. Hang on, as we try to fix it. Don't. I don't want to do this again. You will not survive. I'm just kidding. Are those snakes? I'm sorry that I made that face. I'm just joking. I'm in first class now. I'm in the first class cabin. Whatever. Yes, there's an open restroom. Over here. Oh, somebody already went in before me. Is me and her gonna be the only ones to survive? We're the only ones in here. Last time I had a lot more people. Just kidding. Oh, there's more people coming. Yay! Well, I like how I look. WSP survivors? You're weird, IDK. Well, we might have to make more. What is he saying? With the bathroom gunk. You mean THX. Fix. What is this guy saying? Let's get started. Seriously? You did it too late. Oh my gosh. He's crazy. I need some nail clipping. What do you mean? Oh my gosh, you're crazy. IDK's crazy. And he's, aw, man. Oh, creepy. Oh, I hate this. No more gunk people. Aw. Hey, you're weird. IDK's weird. You're weird. He said Andy Lynn. That's my. You're jealous of me? No, you're just saying gunk people. What is that? No. He made me die. Oh my gosh. I died. He made me die. Okay, this is gonna be a long video. It's gonna take a long time. What was happening over there? Earlier. Okay, let's take another try. One more try, and that's it. One person's sitting in me. Rip K. Little deaf baby. Little deaf baby. Or little deaf baby. I don't know. Okay, mine is I-12. Why again? That's my mom over there. Say hi. He's crazy. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 8134. I don't know how to say. We're currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. Weather looks good, which means we are arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. Oh right, I didn't show you yet, but in the snake part, there's a portal here. I don't want to go through it. Just give me a different engine and say. This is weird. The inside is very round. Comment down below, cause I think it does, but the outside is just a rectangular print. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's the craziest turbulence ever. My recording. I spent 25 minutes already because I had to reset one time and I died one time. Oh, come on. This is my last try. If I don't make it on this last try, then I'm done. But if I do it, oh yeah, oh yeah. I did this. Look. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, I mean, he's so far away so you can see me. Oh yeah, oh yeah. As you know, I'm at. Who's saying fix again? Fix again. Oh my god. I'm feeling very well. Oh. I hate this part. I too. Because I'm. Get ready already. He's allergic to mayo. Mayo is something in Mexico. I think our destination is Mexico. That's why. Yes. Shoal 244. Okay. Phew, that was a close one. Cinnamon roll 501. Something is it? Shoal. There's Chillo. Hello, Chillo. Is a golden girl. Oh, that's weird. This game is quite long. I took a long time already. Wait. Okay, I need to eat now, so wait for. Okay. My dad called me to eat. It's hot. I hope I can eat while making this video. Laura marshmallow. Are those snakes? Snakes. Okay. Snakes. Okay. I wanted to be silly. To make you guys. I'm a restroom. Oh, over there again. Oh wow, that's hot. That is very hot. Indeed. Whoa, somebody died for some reason. Cinnamon died. We should discuss what the heck is happening. No, he's watching the ice queen. I mean the snow queen, and a bird can talk, and that's so funny. There's one part of it that is super funny. Like somebody fell down the ladder and was like. Yeah, he's watching Snow Queen full movie, 1995 movie. It's hopefully some. That's it. I'm good. Your attention. I'm good. He's a lot. I totally need to control a lot. I can't eat right now until I go through. No. Yes. Yes, I took an oxygen mask now. Stay. Yeah. Nobody died? That's good. Why did everybody leave me? My brother gets frightened very easily. Miss Joy's Toys 2016. It must be both. No, I have the bomb. No way. Now I have the bomb. It looks like a bomb. Oh no. Picking the yeah. I'm safe. I chose. Let's go. I couldn't read all the because I am eating something hot. A rat again. If you know Tom and Jerry and you say they're funny, then comment yes to say they're funny, and comment no to say they're not. If you have not Tom and Jerry before, then you don't need. Holy so funny, right? Comment if I look funny at that. Okay. I found the code to Finn's cockpit to the cockpit. Teacher, you will be done. No, something still. Right here. Yep. Not cool. funny. Now I die. In the afterlife, the monster creature you in that. It sounds if it sounds answering, but you answer in the comments. Unconscious, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
你早上没有吃菜了，菜要吃哈。然后你这要 stir 一下，牛奶要 stir 一下。
You need to find the autopilot button. Look everything in. And find the button before we die. I found. Oh, I only pressed one button. I found the button immediately. Oh my god. How? I'm so lucky. Look at the tab. It looks weird. Look at that.
吃点 fiber， 没有 fiber， 没有 fiber 不够。
Tell in the comments if this plane looks weird. Look at the top. Oh, okay. Well, tell in the comments if this plane looks weird on the outside, on the inside. On the inside, comments if it looks good. Now all we need to do is run the emergency phone to call for sandwich help. Just kidding, don't call for help because I have a sandwich. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we'll get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes. We're okay. The pilot mode is on.
那老师把我的 stable 拿走，拿走要拿回来 ，OK？
Taking control. I think I'll survive this time. And there's one last task I have for you. And someone needs to keep the plane on track. Want someone to sit on the by inside the cabin. I'm controlling as the co-pilot. I'm gonna get all my me and my friends home. Okay, everyone, I got this. The creature's back. Oh no, it's back. Oh no, it's just back. Ooh, ha 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 ha, you humans are funny. It's actually been written. Truck, 18. Blast this plane and we will rule the underworld for infinity. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak. This is not the last time you see me. Oh, ha 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 ha. It's gone. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. What does he mean? Because I think he means we'll see him again. Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up. Yes, we landed. Yes, airplane story victory. Oh, this is gonna be the end of my for watching you in the next video. We stop this video. How do you stop it?